Can we list branded products on Amazon without having a trademark or brand registry? I mean, not any generic products, the branded products. Okay, let me show you. For instance, if you look at this is a generic product, means it is not listed under any brand. Now look at this item. This is under a brand. Now, if I want to sell any branded products without having a trademark or brand registry, can I do that? The answer is yes, I can. If we have the brand approval, we can list any products for that specific brand on Amazon. And here comes the important question. How we can get the brand approval on Amazon? This is what we are going to show you in this video step by step. So keep watching. To apply for a brand approval for a specific brand on Amazon, we need to add a product for that brand. So even if you apply for a trademark, you might have to wait for a long time. During that time, you can apply for brand approval and list your products and sell it. Or if you don't have any plans for brand registry, you can apply for brand approval and sell on Amazon. However, I recommend that you apply for brand registry to get all the amazing Amazon features. I won't talk about brand registry today, but if you are interested, watch this video from the I button and I will also put that in the description. Now let's start our process for getting the brand approval. So you see I am in the backend of Amazon right now. Let's go to add products from the catalog. Click on I am adding a product not sold on Amazon. Let's give the item name. So you see it's giving me a suggested category. You can also select a category manually as well. So click on select others. However, I am good with moving with the suggested one. Now click confirm. No variation. Here is the main part. So my product brand name is N12. What many sellers do if they don't have the brand registry, they simply click here. This does not have a brand, which lists it as a generic product, which is obviously not a good practice. However, after watching this video, I hope you don't need to list any product on generic brand. So let's move forward. Let's input the product ID, select the last one, which is UPC. Now click on next. Okay, you see it's saying brand name approval required. You have entered a brand name that does not have approval for Amazon. We know that and that's why we are here today. Click on apply to sell. Okay. Here is a video. I recommended all to watch it for a clear understanding. However, here we need to submit the required information. I'm not going to bother you reading these here. Okay, here you can input the website URL if you have, but it's optional. You can skip it. Here it is important. We need to search for type of product that we are gonna sell and request for approval. You can also select manually, like you can select one by one, but I'm gonna search here. It seems easy to me. So let's search with utensil. You can select the one required. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to select all because I need all of them later on as I have many more products to list. So add all. Now we need to submit the documents. I need to submit at least 2 images of our brand, product and packaging. The documents must meet the requirements like the product branding or packaging must match the brand name N12. If there are difference in capitalization, this will not be an issue. But I would suggest you having the exact match cause you never know Amazon. The second type of requirement is the picture you will capture that has to be on hand or placed on the table. Remember, no Photoshop is allowed. The branding, I mean the brand name must be stamped, sticked, printed or stuck on the packaging or on the product. The main fact is it shouldn't be easily removed. And the last requirement is the branding does not infringe on another brand's trademark, which means you should not copy anyone's brand name that is registered as a brand registry. So if you can meet these 4 requirements, you are good to go. And you can see I have my images. I am gonna upload them here. For security purpose, I am not disclosing it to you, but you just need to make sure you are following the guidelines. So I have uploaded 2 images as you can see. Now I'm gonna select the tick mark. Here we need to give the email address. You can also input your phone number if you want. I'm skipping it for now. Click on submit. It has given me a date, so let's wait for that date and check back after that day. So guys, we have already got the approval for selling applications. From catalog, go to view selling application. You see we are already approved. Let's go to the case. You see what Amazon says. You can now create new SIN using the brand name N12. So see, we got approved. That's how you can apply for brand approval on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful, and to let you know, we do have more resources like this. You can also visit our website ecomclips.com. We have lots of cool stuffs like this you want to check to make sure you level up your Amazon strategy in 2024. And if you want some help, we can always help you out. We are a full-service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience. Currently, we have more than 300 e-commerce experts who are helping more than thousands of bestseller products. You can get a same-day appointment and talk to us about how we get to use these strategies along with the other wonderful strategies as well to level up your e-commerce business. So check out all these resources or give us a call today. Our phone number is right here in the contact us section. So we'll see you in the next video. This is Sakib signing off from today's video. See you in the next video. Peace.